away from the midline, abduction. Towards the midline, abduction. And when you have the front, this is the front, where you have here your bicycle glove, that is the front, and this front now is moved, so it's facing medially, what do you call that? Medial or internal rotation. How about when you have this one facing lateral? External or lateral rotation. When you move this arm, you're moving what? Shoulder joint. And then you have here your forearm. Do like that. Flexion of the forearm. Do like that. Extend the forearm. Do like that. Supination. Like that. Pronation. Okay. And here, okay, muscles that you have here in front of your arm, you flex the forearm. Muscles that you have here in front of the forearm, they flex the wrist, they flex the digits. So if you see a muscle here in front of the forearm, the first word that you have to think about is the word flexor. And here, carpus means wrist. Flexor carpi. And that side, flexor carpi radialis. This side, flexor carpi ulnaris. From here, flexor, going here, digitorum. But one is outside, superficialis, and one is inside, profundus. From here, flexor going there, what is this? Again, muscles in front will be what? Flexing the forearm. And the most important muscle here is what? Biceps brachii, with short head and long head. This will flex the forearm, but it has a more important action, and that is this is a chief supinator of the forearm. Even stronger than the muscle which is named supinator. What muscle is this? Biceps brachii. What is the common action of the muscles here? Flexion of the forearm. If you see muscles here, the first word that you have to think about is the word flexor. And if that muscle ends in the wrist, what will you add? Carpi. Okay? And if that carpi is on this side, what do you call this? Flexor carpi radialis. On that side? Flexor carpi ulnaris. Of course, there will be other muscles here which will not be named like that. One is round, so you call this teres. It's round. Okay? And it pronates, so you call this pronator teres. Another one is here. And this one ends here in the palmar aponeurosis. There is palmaris longus. Action of the muscles here, flexion of the wrist, flexion of the digits. Remove this and you see this muscle here. What is this muscle here underneath? What is this muscle underneath this? This muscle underneath, this one here, is going to your middle phalanges of 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you call that? Flexor digitorum superficialis. This thread is the same as this one here. You have removed all the superficial. What is this? This is flexor digitorum superficialis. You have cut it. This is this one here. Okay? How about what is this muscle here? This and this one. What is this? Flexor carpi radialis. This one. Flexor carpi ulnaris. How about this one here? This one. Ulnaris. How about what is this red here? What is this red? Flexor digitorum superficialis. And that red is this one. Okay? So this is flexor what? Digitorum superficialis. To remove that, then you see this muscle here on the little finger side. It will go to 1, 2, 3, 4. So you call that digitorum. But this one is deeper, so profundus means deep. So flexor digitorum profundus. And underneath, okay, this, you have another muscle here. But is this muscle here underneath that will go? Oh, sorry. This one is in the thumb. So this is flexor, this is longus. This is underneath, this one here is going to 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do you call that? Flexor digitorum profundus. This one going to the thumb? flexor pollicis longus. Okay, so what is this again? What is this again? The first word here is what? Flexor. Okay, what is this? Flexor carpi radialis. This is flexor carpi ulnaris. Of course, there will be other muscles not named flexor. What is this? Pronator teres. How about this orange? Palmaris longus, which is sometimes absent, just like you. Okay, so this is palmaris longus. Remove that. What is the red? Going to 1, 2, 3, 4. No, superficialis. Profundus means deep. So this is superficialis. Flexor digitorum superficialis. This red is the same as this red. Okay, you have removed the superficial ones. What is this red? Flexor digitorum superficialis. Remove that, then you see a muscle going to the thumb. Pollicis. What is this? Dark blue. Flexor pollicis longus. And then the light blue, that will go to 1, 2, 3, 4. Deeper. Flexor digitorum profundus. Okay? So that will be now the anterior. How about here the posterior? If you have here the humerus, okay, these are the condyles. This is your, what is this one here? This is your capitulum and this is your trochlea. Above the capitulum, what is this? Lateral epicondyle. This one? Medial. Okay, above the lateral epicondyle, what is this blue? Lateral supracondylar ridge. What is this red here? What is this red? Okay, the yellow one is capitulum. Okay, what is the red? Lateral epicondyle. What is the dark blue? Lateral supracondylar ridge. If here anteriorly there is a common origin of the superficial anterior forearm muscles, this one is this one. Coming from here, what is it? Medial epicondyle of, what is this bone? Humerus. So what is this bone? Medial epicondyle. The origin of the anterior. How about this one here? Origin of the posterior. Lateral epicondyle, this one. This one. What is that? Lateral epicondyle. Okay? But then of course this one is lateral supracondylar ridge. There. This lateral the blue here is lateral supracondylar ridge. The red is lateral epicondyle. The origin of the superficial posterior forearm muscles. What is the first muscle here? Brachioradialis. This is brachioradialis here. This is the only flexor of the forearm that is supplied by radial nerve. Okay? And then the first word that you have to think about here is on this side it's flexor, on this side it will be extensor. Okay. So if you have a muscle here, okay, and this muscle goes there in the wrist, so the first word is what? Extensor. Okay. And then, so that is extensor. Okay. And this one goes to the wrist, so what do you call that? Extensor carpi. Okay. But on this side, the pink one here and the orange will be ending in the wrist. What side? Radial. So this pink and the orange will be extensor carpi radialis. And this pink here is extensor carpi ulnaris. But this pink is longer than the orange one. So how will you call this? Extensor carpi radialis longus. How about the orange one? Extensor carpi radialis brevis. How about this one here? Okay, this one that will go to the 4 lesser fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? What's the first word here? Extensor. Going to 1, 2, 3, 4? Digitorum. It's common. Extensor digitorum communis. How about this one? Okay, that will be going here to the little finger. What's the first word? Extensor. Okay. Digiti is finger, minimi is little. Digiti, minimi.